Hello, in front of me I have TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore the WhatsApp backup on this device. Okay, so before we begin, let's open up our settings, and in here, as you scroll down and click on the Google, you need to make sure that you are logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. It is really important because otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats, so remember about it. Okay, and now we can open up our downloaded WhatsApp. Now we need to select our language. Okay, then click on agree and continue, and now I need to type my phone number, so give me a second. Okay, so once you have verified your phone number, you should have something like that on the screen, contacts and media. Now click on continue. Now click on allow, and allow for everything. And now we have option to restore our chats. Below we have the date on which the last backup was made. Also below we can see its size and the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I have shown you in the beginning of the video in the settings of my device. You can see it right in here. So everything is fine. Now click on restore button, and remember that you need to restore now because there's a chance that in the future you won't have a possibility to restore your chats, so you should do this right now. Okay, 11 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now click on next. In here you can select your name, and also you can change your profile photo by clicking on that icon. Now click on next. And now as you take a look, all of the messages, including the videos and the photos, has been successfully transferred. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.